Are you tired of your mechanical keyboard's performance? What if I told you there's a way to make it feel brand new again? Research and choose the switch type that suits your typing style best. Purchasing a hot-swappable keyboard is the easiest way to change switches without the need for soldering. Hot-swappable keyboards allow you to replace switches in seconds, making the process quick and hassle-free. Start by removing the keycaps using the keycap remover that comes with your keyboard. Be gentle to avoid damaging the keycaps, and organize them in a logical order to save time later. Next, use the switch puller to remove the old switches. Each switch has small tabs that need to be squeezed to release. Once the old switches are out, it's time to swab in the new ones. Ensure the copper pins are inserted straight into their holes. Press firmly until you hear a click, indicating the switch is securely in place. Reconnect your keyboard to a PC to test each switch as you go, ensuring they are all functional. Finally, return the keycaps to their original positions, pressing down hard and straight to secure them. And there you have it. A refreshed mechanical keyboard ready to enhance your typing experience. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel.